ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ. This is a prayer from the Upanishad. It says that may we be protected together, may we learn the things together that may be equally powerful and mighty, and may we not envy each other. This is the essence of the Indian literature, culture, and the heritage. Uh, in the syllabus of undergraduate level for Sanskrit honors, we have the core paper C7 titled as Indian Social Institutions and Polity. We'll be discussing that paper in this course, in this online course for the students, learners who will be able to get acquainted with the concept of Indian social institutions from the earlier stages, as early as from the Vedic literature, and we'll be trying to present them, equip them with a knowledge from a diachronic knowledge that will make the picture of the social institutional developments and polities of India as a whole. We would prepare here a holistic and diachronic study of the origin and development and concepts of Indian social institutions and polity. This is the main theme of this course, and the various aspects of social institutions and Indian polity are propounded in the Sanskrit texts such as the Vedas, including the Samhita and Brahmana sections, Mahabharata, Puranas, the Arthashastra of Kautilya, and other works generally known as Niti Shastras, apart from the Dharma Shastras in general. The main source is, of course, the Dharma Shastra in this paper. The entire course has been divided into four sections, major four sections, and they are namely the Indian social institutions, nature and concepts. This is the first section, and the second section will discuss on the structure of society and value of life. The third section will discuss on Indian polity, origin and development, and fourthly, the cardinal theories and thinkers of Indian polity will be discussed for the students. Here we'll get, as I have said already, a diachronic and holistic study, idea, concept of the Indian subcontinent from about at least 3,500 years before. And it will enable the student to get acquainted with the policymakers' thinking, thoughts, ideas, and it will also come to discuss the thoughts of modern political thinkers like Mahatma Gandhi. We have designed this course into to be delivered in 40 modules. You will get 40 lectures, which will be about 25 minutes each, and each module will contain a written substance, an in-depth study of the written material of what lecture is being given on, and an interaction session between the expert and the participants, and fourthly, an evaluation system that will comprise some MCQs, some home assignments, and also some other kinds of examination to be brought out by the concerned authorities. I hope you will be hugely enriched with this program, as you have arranged for the best experts on these subjects to be taught, and you will enjoy the course as well. Thank you.